Traditional gas and diesel stations have been around for a long time, but as vehicles and fuel types have evolved, so have choices in fuel. This is Natural Resources Canada's Electric Charging and Alternative Fueling Stations Locator. It's set up as a comprehensive map of Canada, showing charging and fueling station locations from coast to coast for biodiesel, compressed natural gas, electric, ethanol, hydrogen, liquid natural gas, and propane fuel options. The station location information is regularly updated, so whether you're checking for the nearest station in your area, or if you're planning a trip, whether just a couple of hours from home or a cross-Canada adventure, the locator can provide you with the information to find the stations that meet your needs. Okay, let's start using the tool, beginning by showing how to find public stations. To use the locator, enter a location to find a station where you can recharge or refuel your vehicle. The map will show electric charging and alternative fuel stations by using this drop-down menu. There are also a number of sophisticated advanced filters. Let's take a look. Advanced filters allow searching for charging stations by location, fuel type, and station details using the checkboxes and drop-down options. One of the great features of the locator is the Map a Route feature, which allows you to plan your itinerary based on the availability of electric and alternative fuel stations along the way. Here's an example. We'll choose Ottawa as the start point and Calgary as the destination or end location. Hit Enter or click on the search icon. If you click on the Find Stations button, it will bring you back to the full map. The locator will provide the information about all fueling stations in map form and provide information about each station along your route. Do you want to be able to download and save the results from your search? You can click here to download all the results and have them on hand while planning your trip or while traveling. The station locator provides information about fueling and charging stations in the US, so you can use the map or route function for trips to the US for a variety of fuel types as well. The strength of this tool is in the frequent updating and verification of station location data. However, differences in data collection methodologies, data confirmation practices, and inclusion criteria may result in variances between NRCan's database and those maintained by other organizations. So, whether you have an EV or a vehicle that runs on another type of alternative fuel, consider using the Electric Charging and Alternative Fueling Stations Locator.